Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we learn to create our slabs in Revit. So before I create my slabs, I'd like to see what I've created so far in 3D. So if you like to switch to 3D, right on top in our quick access toolbar, we have the 3D button. So simply click on that and then it switches to the 3D view. Now in the 3D view, when you want to zoom in, you can simply scroll up or scroll down to zoom out. And then when you want to orbit, you can hold down the shift mouse button and the middle mouse button to orbit in Revit. And when you want to pan, you can let go of the shift mouse button and just hold down the middle mouse button to pan in Revit. You can also use this ribbon icon here. So if you want to switch to the left view, right view, you can use this ribbon icon, which is also pretty useful. Now, if you want to orbit using the ribbon icon, that is also possible. Simply click and hold down on the ribbon icon, and then you can orbit this way as well. Same goes if you want to rotate the view, you can use the bottom surface here, click and hold down, and you can rotate this way as well.